So if you wanted to make an actual quick connection between your Gmail account and your Cloudy, the process is actually not going to be that hard. So to get started, the first thing I will be doing here is to open a new tab. I'm going to close it because we don't need to use this anymore. I'm going to focus directly into my Gmail, and inside here what I'm going to be doing here is to focus directly into back, of course, into my Cloudy, and go for the looking, of course, of an actual new chat. So the first thing I want to be doing here is to select the actual chat that you want to be working on. You can update this if you wanted to, or you can just start totally from scratch. In this case, let's say for example that I would like to start from scratch. Now, usually the most easiest way to make the actual connection between the Cloudy and almost any kind of tool is to even ask direct itself. Like for example, I want to check and summarize the latest 10 mails from my Gmail. Let's get started. My prompt will be usually what I wanted to do, and the second part is from where I wanted to be working on. When I send this specific prompt, usually what Cloud is going to be looking at is for an actual connectors. Connectors, once again, is like the easiest way to work with Cloudy and to check out all the actual tools that can be helping us to do this process in a very easily way. So as you can see, we have the element that says searching the actual connectors. So what we need to do is just to wait a few seconds to see if the actual Gmail has now been successfully connected directly into my actual Gmail. Of course, you might want to make this process a little bit much more like in a manual way. But basically, of course, what's going to happen with the actual connector is that you choose the one that says Gmail, which in this case it now has correctly been appeared. I go for the element that says connect, and is going to be asking you to choose the actual account that you'd like to connect with. In this case, I choose my Gmail account. I go for connect. I needed to grant the actual 5 services to Cloud to work correctly with the actual Gmail, and head over for the element that says connect. Now here it should appear the actual element that says connected, and I click into the element that says use. Just like that, what's going to happen is going to be using the actual Gmail tab that I currently have already been open. I believe that you don't have to maintain, for example, keep your actual YouTube, or in this case the Gmail account open. I believe that with only the first time that would be more than enough. And you can see, for example, that we have the summary of the 10 latest emails. So even for example, we have, for example, the element that says quick take, mostly promotional newsletter, but number 1 security alert, jar premium trial ending, AdSense deactivation, would real look since the evolve account access billing and account status. So as you can see, we even have, for example, a few suggestions of what we can actually do with the actual connection between the Cloudy and the actual Gmail. So with this being said, guys, if you enjoyed the very early videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.